All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017, folks, a 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 long wheelbase, mid-roof with 30,000 miles, white with the gray vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system. You got your power windows, power door locks, backup camera. Super nice. Best of all, minimal damage on the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. Check out your tire tread. Just on the 7/32. This door looks good. This quarter here looks pretty decent. Looks pretty good. I don't see many things. I see 1, 2 things. Here's your rear driver's steel wheel. Let me tie that here. It's over 7/32. Let's see. I see 1, 2, 3 dents. 3 dents. I don't see much more than that. 3 dents. And it looks like 2 heavy scratches right there. Boom, boom. All right. You got power windows, power door locks, see power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. Looks good. No holes, no tears, no rips to this, but there is a tear here, which is actually easily sewable. Actually, it's just ripped off the seam, I guess you would call it. It does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Turn this bad boy on. It is hot, so I'm dying to get that AC cranking. Ah. Beautiful, feels good, ice cold AC, folks. AM/FM stereo system. You get your AC controls right down below. You get your backup camera. Pow. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. As you can see, it does have tire pressure light on. Your mileage of 30,873. Looks good. Keep it moving. Right off. See a heavy scratch here. It's been touched up about 4 inches, and then another one next to it about 2.5 inches, and then some more here. Heavy scratch here, another one here. Dent with paint off, another dent with paint off. Some heavy scratching is basically what it is. Rear bumper looks pretty good. These doors look pretty decent. They do have some damages here. It's got a dent with paint off, another dent there, another one there. Heavy scratch over here, another one next to that. Another one here. Alright. Open these doors up. Boom. Boom. Very nice. This is what your side cargo area looks like. Boom. Looks good. Wheel wells have some damage, a couple of dents there. Likewise over here, this is normally from putting things in with a forklift or something. I do see the roof looks like it's got some dents over there. I'm going to show you guys that in a second. This door panel looks good. Oh, I just noticed here. I've noticed this on a couple of these trucks. Either that is a factory defect, or people literally are pushing this closed so much that it's bending and breaking the metal. I can't foresee somebody being that strong, guys. All right, this quarter here, or this panel door looks good, and this one's not like that one. So go figure. All right, let me get a ladder. I got my ladder. Ugh. And now we do have some dents on this side of the roof. Boom. Looks like they might have just went under something just on this corner of the roof, as you can see it. Let's go around. Let's see it from this side. Boom. As you can see, it's kind of caved in here. There's some more damage over here. All right. As you can see, it's dented up. All that there. Boom. There you go. Just wanted to make sure and show it properly so that you guys can see all damages. Never like anybody to say that we are less than honest, or that we try to, you know, we don't try to show all damages. I try to show everything. I've been trying to get into angles for you. This panel here looks great. Down here looks like just some scuffing right there. No big deal. Here's a rear passenger steel wheel, and your tire thread is 7/32. Let's double check that. That's right around over 30 seconds. This door, we got a dent here, a dent there, a dent there, a couple of dents here, one more here, a couple more there, heavy scratch here, another dent there. All right. And then some heavy scratching on this door here. All right. But the door, in reality, the truck looks good. This is what your side cargo area looks like. Looks good. Decent looking truck. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. That. This door looks good. This fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger steel wheel, and your tire thread is over 8/32. Looks good. Very nice. Hold on 1 second. Yeah. All right, folks, and we're back. It was just a little something up there. I needed my guy to clean that off. Now it is clean. Beautiful. Folks, once again, this is a 2007, let me get to a position here. 2017 Ford Transit T-250 mid-roof long wheelbase with 30,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.